All right, it's Wednesday, August 23rd. I just bought some SPY 438 calls here at 468. Just scaled out at 515 to set up kind of a no-risk trade and see how much higher it wants to go. It's up to 523 right now. It's kind of a basic type of gain. If we look at the SPY today, I wasn't here right at the open, and basically the first 15-minute bar kind of moved up, and then you had an opportunity to buy it here on bar number 2 for a projected target up to the pre-market highs here to the blue line, and that hit that. What I did when I came here and I watched it, this was going to be an area where you're either going to get taking out buy-side liquidity, as we've been talking about in this downtrend, and starting lower, or if not, likely reaching higher, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So once I saw it kind of just pausing in here and not really, with this buying tail and this little buying tail, I decided it was going to make another push up, and that's why I just bought those calls. If you look at it on the daily chart, as we were coming up today to start the session and hitting that high, I saw kind of a double top here. In other words, this high from yesterday didn't take out that high. This should have been these 3 bars should have been broadening action for this one red bar. Didn't take it out. We might have continued lower today, but price action started up. So then I kind of felt pretty strong we were going to take out this 441.43 area, and at the time the high was right around 441, a little above that. So I thought it would make another push up, and then I wanted to see what happens, if once we took out this high, if we kind of don't, retrace from there, we could be heading up towards this high, or at least the midpoint of that bar right there, kind of into the 443.60 area, that type of thing. So that's kind of way up here now if price really wants to go. So it's a directional day to the upside. It'll likely make some kind of orderly pause at some point, and then hopefully make another push up to test whatever intraday high is made. Again, I just wanted to kind of do a basic kind of trade here. Bought the 438 calls, 468, scaled out at 415. You can see there were 521 now as price is heading higher. I do think at any moment you can get a little bit of a pause in here, so it's a little tricky trade, but I just felt strongly you were at least going to get this push up, and now I can just manage it as I see fit. If we get another push up, I just might take a basic gain trade here, then wait for some kind of pullback and maybe a secondary trade this afternoon if it unfolds.